Let's go. I told y'all we was gonna win that one. I know a victory when I smell one. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's okay. Oh my goodness. That was good. That was very, very good. Only 470 bars. I need to get my life together because school costs 600 bars every time I gotta go get my voice. So I genuinely need to get it together because if that's all I'm collecting the entire match, we're gonna have to do something about that. Dang, level 50 already? Okay. So all that says to me is that this is getting, people are about to start getting real hectic. Hi Anna, welcome in. All right, I'm gonna try and fix the music before this next